Your customers don't always leave because they don't like the product. Sometimes they leave because choosing color, size, or style feels slow, hidden, and confusing. That's exactly what Swatchly fixes. Swatchly turns boring WooCommerce dropdowns into beautiful, clickable variation swatches, so customers can see every option at a glance and choose with one click. When product options are easier to see, customers can decide faster, shop with more confidence, and move closer to checkout. Swatchly gives you 3 powerful swatch types: color swatches for apparel and paint, image swatches for patterns and textures, and label swatches for sizes, weights, or text-based options. And swatches aren't just for product pages. Show them on shop and category pages too, so customers can compare variations directly from the product listing. Select a color on the shop page and the product image updates instantly. Customize everything to match your brand. Choose square, rounded, or circle shapes. Adjust sizes, colors, borders, spacing, tooltips, and different styles for hover, selected, and disabled states, without code. Swatchly can also auto-convert existing dropdowns into label swatches, generate shareable variation URLs, and show recently viewed variations for returning customers. Whether you sell clothing, furniture, electronics, or crafts, if your WooCommerce store has variable products, Swatchly is built for you. It's responsive, mobile optimized, compatible with major themes and page builders, and works smoothly with popular Quick View and Product Filter plugins. Start free with color, image, and label swatches, customization, and shop page support. Upgrade to Swatchly Pro for Ajax Add to Cart, Image Auto-Convert, Catalog Mode, and Priority support. Getting started takes less than a minute. Find Swatchly in the WordPress plugin directory, activate it, and your dropdowns are ready to transform. Stop losing sales to boring dropdowns. Install Swatchly today and give your customers the visual shopping experience they deserve. To grow your business with more great videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Has Themes on YouTube.